Thai stir-fried chicken has a glorious sweet and sour, yet savory taste. With creamy cashew and healthy vegetable, it is an easy recipe that doesn't take long. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. If you've been to Thailand, you'd have eaten Thai chicken with cashew nuts. It's on almost every Thai takeout menu. But there is nothing like making it yourself. It will taste so much better. It's an easy dish for beginners without much spice. Great for you if you are starting to explore Thai food. If you are stir crazy, let's go stir fry and banish your boredom.
Let's learn how to make stir-fried chicken Thai style.
Let's Katie tell you about all the ingredients for today.
Spring onion, yellow pepper, and red pepper.
Oh.
Onion. Guys, be careful when you peel it off.
Why?
Because your eye will get hurt.
Really? How do you know that?
Dry city spruce. Flour. Cashew nuts, my favorite.
You wanna eat all?
Chicken breast. Chicken stock.
Uh-huh.
Tamarind paste.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Do you like it?
No. Palm sugar.
Tastes sweet.
No.
Yes.
Soy sauce. It tastes good a lot when I put it on rice.
Let's prepare all the herbs first before we do the other thing. I'll chop dry chili spur. Right. We don't need the seed. Pepper. This is how you cut pepper. Just tear it apart. Take the seed off and take the pith off. Pepper gives you a lot of fiber. And I do like it. My little Katie likes it as well. And then chop it up. We use 2 colors for this one. Onion. And spring onion. About 1.5 inch. Cut the chicken. The chicken we will cut it in cube or bite size. Okay, next process. Season the chicken with soy sauce. Very useful this. I already washed my hand by the way, so make sure your hands clean, and if you need the glove, put the glove on. And set aside. Let's go make tamarind sauce. Fish sauce, tamarind paste, palm sugar, and we will put it on the heat. The sauce taste have to be sweet, tangy, and savory. So we're waiting for palm sugar to dissolve and sauce will get a little bit thick. That's exactly what I want. So for now, I can smell tamarind and fish sauce. And the sauce is get ready. If the sauce is not getting too thick, you can add some stock, chicken stock. This is how thick for sauce you need. I mean, like runny honey. Let's go to the next step, right? Let's fry the chicken. You need some oil for fry the chicken. Not too much, but not too little. About that much. Then turn the heat on. So, the reason that we fry the chicken before we stir fry it, because we want the outside the chicken crispy and keep the moist inside. Don't flour the chicken until you're ready to fry it. Otherwise, your chicken won't get crispy. The heat is already, so I add some flour in my chicken. Just like that. If the oil not hot enough, the flour will not stick in the chicken and it will go in the bottom of the pan. Make sure you get the right heat. If you put the heat high, the chicken will, the outside will get just look like it cooked, but the inside is not cooked. And then stir it up a bit to stop it stuck in the bottom. And you waiting to see golden brown color. Yeah. The chicken is getting a little bit brown, but it's not ready yet. Golden brown color now, so the chicken is ready. Heat off. Try the chili. You don't need to leave the heat on. Just make the chili crispy a bit, not fry it too long. Right, let's stir fry our chicken. Turn the heat on and add some olive oil. We will stir fry onion first until the onions cook and the white bit, the white part of spring onion we can stir fry at the same time because it gets a little bit longer than the green bit. So we will waiting for the onion to get clearer. I think that's ready. So I'll add. For this process, it's going to be very, very, very quick. And then pepper, then spring onion, and sauce. Oh, so I need chicken stock, make sure everything being covered with the sauce. Before you put tamarind sauce in the pan, you need to warm it up a little bit to release the thickness. It's done. Now it's time for me to serve it up. Sorry, I forget. The last thing that I forget, I need to add cashew nuts, so don't forget. And chili. We're gonna fry it for 30 seconds. 30 seconds past.